Hello everyone, welcome to Adventures Programming, and today we are going to make a program in Python to check a string it is palindrome or not. Okay, so first I will take a variable str1 and take a input. I will write here enter string here. Okay, and I will take another string str2. It will be empty string. Okay, and I will take the element of string 1 from the uh, right side. Okay, and store in the str2. Okay, so I will get the reverse of str1. Okay, that's the palindrome. If the reverse is same as the string, then it's called the palindrome. Okay, so I will apply a for loop for I in range. I will take the value of I from length of str1 minus 1, because the maximum index of a string is length of that string minus 1. Okay, comma minus 1, comma minus 1. I am taking minus 1 here because it will the minimum value of I will be minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. Okay, it will be 0. Okay, so all the elements of string 1 will be covered. Okay, and in this for loop I will write str2 equal to str2 plus str1 index I. Okay, so what is the value of I? If let's suppose if I take the value of str1 to be Vishal. Okay, so what will be the value of I for Vishal? The value of I will be length of str1. What is the length of str1? 6. 6 minus 1 means 5. Okay, what is the str5 5 index? L. Okay, so L will be stored in str2. After that A H S I V. Okay, and in next line I will print str2. Okay, let's run the code. I will take the input VISHAL. Okay, and I got the reverse of Vishal. Okay, and now instead of print I will write a condition. If str1 is equal to str2, then the string is palindrome. So I will write str1 is palindrome. Okay, and in else condition I will write print str is not palindrome. Okay, I will run the code and I will take VISHAL. Okay, and the reverse of VISHAL is not VISHAL, so it will give you Vishal is not palindrome. Enter Vishal is not palindrome. Okay, let's take a palindrome number like mom. Okay, the reverse of mom is mom, so enter mom is palindrome. Let's take another input like SOS. Okay, so SOS is palindrome because the reverse of SOS is SOS. Okay, I hope you understand the question. See you in the next video.